Okay, so you're here watching this video because you have an F-150 and you've got a Leer camper on the top of it, and you noticed that your third brake light doesn't work anymore, or the LEDs in it were dead, or it had a hole and it was leaking. So you were like, I wish I knew how to fix this and I wish someone had a video on it. Well, you're in the right spot. I'm gonna help you out, and we're getting right to it. So we got the Leer camper up top. What I have here on mine is I also have this. This actually attaches to the back of the bracket that's up there. It makes it look a little interior light. So just to let you know where I started, I've already unplugged the wires that run to that harness up there, and we are going to just pop this out. I've already taken this up. Oh, I gotta do that part too. I forgot about that. All right. So I need to make sure I do some things right here. First, we're gonna cut this wire. This is the wire that is going to the third brake light, the broken one. So we're gonna cut that. I'm gonna see if I can split this. Okay. Now, what I'm using is this Pittsburgh wire stripper. It's actually brand new. I just got it. We're gonna see how it works. And it does. That's perfect. So that's the upper. This is for the interior light. So I'm gonna strip this one too. We're just doing this in advance because it is cold outside because it just started snowing. I want that one a little bit more. And this is probably one, like, I've only used it 4 times now. Yeah, this is awesome. I'm just not using enough. There we go. Okay, lower, upper. So here's what we're doing. We're doing a review of this because we need to replace this, okay? Now this is from Motorcraft, or not Motorcraft, Mastercraft is the name. Now, Mastercraft, from what I understand, these are the guys that do all the replacement parts for Leer at the moment. So whether it's weather stripping or lights like this and other things, these guys seem to be the only ones that can do it. They're the only ones. So here's what we've got. Oh, let me go grab the old one. Should be able to just pull that out. Now, when removing your old one, don't make the same mistake I did, okay? So I thought that this piece right here, like as you see on the new one, there's this piece. This was here because I thought I needed to unscrew this little bolt that is in here. That is actually not the case. These screw in from the back. So if I take my old one, yeah, this fit in here like this in some fashion, and there's 2 screws that I'll show you on this one. You see this right here? This, so I get closer to the camera here so you can see. So that little screw hole, they send you these, and these screws go right in there and they tie the whole thing together. You place the seal and it just sits in there. So this is a new gasket. We're gonna see how it works because you put this in, you put the back in, and they together. So anywho, this is the old one, this is the new one. You know, they look pretty much the same. This one has a lot of water in it. You can see it's swolled up, it's got some yellowing. It's not in great shape, but that's why we're replacing it. So this was $50 at the time. It just seems to be the price. I tried to see where I could find it cheaper with no luck. So it is what it is. Now, this is the new backing they sent me, which has the part number on it. This one is the old one, but I'm keeping this one because whoever owned this truck before me put this little LED thing in here, and that allows it to run on the same circuit. So when the lights turn on in the truck, this will also turn on inside the truck, so you have a bit of an interior light. So what I believe I need to do, and this is the wiring you can use. I won't be using this. My plan is to tap in exactly where it already is. So I want to take this, put this in here. Actually, that's a good point. I may need to work with this a little bit. So we're gonna go see that, but we're gonna go find out. We're gonna put this together. Let's see how it goes. So here's how we're gonna put in the new one, okay? The plan is, hopefully you guys can see just fine. We're gonna stick all the wire in. I'm putting all the wire in here and get it nice and in there. It's a little wet already. And this should sit in here like so. I should need to press it in a little bit. Remember, it's got that gasket, and you want that gasket to be in there. I'll leave that on for now. Okay, so that's in there. Now we have this part. All of this extract wire, okay? I'm gonna cut the wire right here because I don't need it. And if I need to cut more, I will. But actually, I wonder if I'll need to. At this point, I'm actually gonna sit inside here before I cut. We'll see if it works better view-wise. Oh, should probably unlock the truck. Oop. Okay, so we're in here. Seal looks pretty good. Now, as a reminder, mine has something a little different in it, but this should go just like this. And if I do this right, I shouldn't even need, you can see where it was leaking. I shouldn't need to really do much else. So let's see. Gonna grab the screw. I'm not using any, I'm not gonna use any power tools today. It's not a very big screw, and I don't want to strip it. Why'd I start with the one that's the furthest away from me? I don't know. So we'll start with this guy. Okay. I'm just gonna screw in this one enough that it holds it. Good. I really gotta clean out this truck bed. Kind of gross. Ooh, almost lost my screwdriver right there. Okay. Now I know these are definitely gonna rust over the year, but like, it'll be fine. So we're gonna do this so that it is tight enough where I'm hoping that I won't, like I'm gonna do this to finger tight. Like I'm not trying to put a lot of torque on this. Like if it's not spinning, that should be okay. You can still see there's a bit of daylight, and oh my God, it is snowing. I'm hoping that's gonna be okay. I don't really carry too much in here anyways, and you can still see, you know, we got a little bit of water coming in here. There's some other spots where it's probably a little wet or leaking. I don't know how old this cap is, but it does the job. So now we're gonna do the next fun part, which is put these wires together. My plan, and I don't really, it's not the greatest plan, but like really I should extend the wire to give myself more room, but I'm not. So let's see if I can do this. All right, so we've got this all set up now. Lights on. You see the butt connectors I have right inside there, and we just try to put it back in the loom. But yeah, we're all set. Everything's good. Oh, don't want to leave my phone. This is the extra wire that's left over, so definitely more than enough to run it alongside and stuff it over there. Now, we just need to make sure that that's seated nicely and make sure it works. So something I wanted to add, and hopefully I cut this in earlier. So when I put this in, the gasket kind of sticks up a little bit. So I took a light dead blow hammer, and I don't know if you could see the gasket at all in there, but it sticks up a little bit. So I just went across, light quick taps, and hopefully that seats it in there, and I'll check back in a few weeks to see how it works. Now we just need to see if this third brake light actually does its thing. All right, let's see if this records capturing the third brake light. Whew. All right, so hopefully that was very helpful for you. And I just checked it, it works. Next, we're gonna be doing the third brake light on the truck itself. I know that has a leak in it, and it's been dropping some water in the front console and some other things. So we're gonna do that next. And yeah, oh, I'm gonna try to take the tape off. Yeah, don't forget to take the clear tape off, you know, don't forget this, and throw it away. So yeah, hopefully that helped. If you liked it, you know, let me know. If you have another question about that particular install, let me know that too. And yeah, have fun out there. Be safe, stay warm. God, it's cold out here. Love the snow though, love snow. Whew.